just wanna dance and feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and healthy and doing okay. Alright, so in this video, I'm actually going to unbox a little grocery kind of delivery from a friend of mine. So we've been living in Japan for a while now, right? And food has been very difficult for us because we don't eat the Japanese food for some reason. Well, we do eat a tiny bit of some, but my husband is more open to trying the Japanese food. I'm not, because I don't play with food like that. So after months and months and months of hunting on Instagram, Facebook, using the hashtag Jamaicans in Japan, trying to find some retail, some wholesale store, somebody that may provide at least a little bit of, you know, Jamaican products, just a little bit. I actually found a girl. Her name is Latoya. She's based in Tokyo, Japan, and apparently I was at work one day and I searched again, because I've been searching this hashtag for months and I've never seen anything, any of her posts under that hashtag. But that day I saw one and I messaged her immediately, asking her, you know, telling her that I saw her post, you know, doing this like she's cooking Jamaican stuff. I'm like, is there any chance that you sell these products? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, what? So yeah, we established a bond right there, right then. And this video is not sponsored by her, but I am very grateful that I found her, because honestly, this is my 4th time buying from her since we first spoke, and buying groceries from her has made our life so much better in terms of eating here, because we can now eat Jamaican dishes, you know, Jamaican, and that's all I want. So I'll be unboxing one of my packages. We basically split our grocery now in half, so half for the Japanese supermarket, because I still don't get everything from this person. I still have to go into the store, into the grocery store, to buy like produce items and other stuff. But at the Jamaican, you'll kind of get an idea of, you know, the kind of stuff I buy from her. So yeah, let's jump right into unboxing these goodies. Okay, so these, I got 2 boxes. This is one of them. I think one is frozen and the other is right here. I already have my scissor on it to do some cuttings. One box is actually frozen, so like meat and so on and so forth. I don't know which one I'm opening first. I'm just slicing into one. I think this one is the frozen pack. I think I may need Adam's help. Alright, so this is a frozen box I actually got first, and the first thing that I grab is some chicken. Listen, some chicken leg quarters, and this is a whole bag and it's very reasonable. And I buy chicken, yes, by the way, chicken is sold in the Japanese supermarket, but they are not chicken thighs and legs together that you can, you know, chop. It's like, I think Japanese chicken is like wings. You know, the wings, they have the wing part, they have the leg part. I think they chop it in half and then they sell the leg part as chicken legs, and then they sell the wing part as wings. So plus with the Jamaican seasonings, since I've been here, I've always complained to my mother that no matter how I season this Japanese chicken, it cannot taste like home. It cannot taste like home chicken, and it stresses me out. So I tried buying chicken from Latoya, and trust me when I say home glory. This chicken, it takes seasoning very well, and I can taste authentic Jamaican flavor coming through all of it, and that's what I want. As for where she gets her grocery or buy all of these stuff, I am not sure if I am allowed to actually go into detail of that stuff, but I'll leave her social media handle in the description below. So if you are a Jamaican in Japan and you're interested in getting some home kind of products for cooking, then send her a message. All right, so next is chicken breasts. It's a bag of chicken breasts, and as I said, I buy chicken from her because I find that the meat and the meat stuff that I get from her, it really absorbs seasoning better than I've experienced with Japanese chicken. Plus, these chicken breasts actually have the rib part of it, so it's a little bony, as opposed to the Japanese where it's just breast and it's just meat. Alright, next I got some mild cheddar cheese. Some mild cheddar cheese. It's frozen. I got 2 packs. For the life of me, I can't find cheddar cheese anywhere at any of my grocery stores here. I mean, I've seen it mixed, but it's still not the same. I want pure cheddar cheese, so I order from her. And last in this frozen box is some ripe plantains, some frozen ripe plantains. So yeah, plantains are another thing that we cannot get very easily in Japan. As a matter of fact, I discovered a site called Plantanos Japan that sells and ships a box of like ripe or green plantain, depends on what you want, but it's very expensive and I haven't gotten around to purchasing from them, so I just bought a little box from my little friend. Alright, yeah, and that's it for the frozen box. So let's go to the dry goods. And this was really one-day delivery, so I ordered on Saturday and I got the delivery on Sunday. Sometimes in the past it took 2 days, but you know, it varies between 1 day or 2 day delivery. I guess it depends on the time. I guess it depends on the time in which it was sent. Alright, so goodie. Now, first of all, let's talk about this. This is Christmas cake. And I just smell it. This is Christmas cake. So she does catering around Japan, in and around Japan. So at Christmas time, you know, she bakes her Christmas cakes. Easter time, she bakes Easter bun and all of that stuff. I'm a Christmas cake junkie, and I was very sad that I couldn't get Christmas cake this year, but she told me she was baking. I'm like, yes girl, I need my cake too. So this is it. Excited to try that. Alright, next we have Frosted Flakes, the giant size, good old cornflakes. And Japan does have cereals, a lot, many different kinds of cereal actually, but the parcels are not this big, and the frosted ones aren't really frosty, you know, it's not sweet. So I was happy to get this. So yeah, this is one. We got some black pepper. My husband loves black pepper. I'm not sure why. So we got a big parcel of black pepper. yeah, whenever he cooks, like if black pepper is not in it, then it's a problem. Next up we have some good old Jamaican Grace Cock soup. Alright, and I like to put this in just about anything. Brown stew chicken, curry chicken, soup, you name it, it's going in. So yeah, I got a few from her. Yep. Next, I got some peas, some red kidney beans for rice and peas and all that stuff. I have not seen this in Japan. Actually, they sell red peas and red peas in a tin, but it's not that dark, and for some reason, no matter how I cook it, it's still tough. So it has a tough texture to it. But other import stores in and around the place, like Yamaya, maybe Kaldi Coffee Farm, those are two import shops where I buy products that aren't really Japanese, and I've seen them with red kidney beans also in a tin, but I've never tried it. Okay, so next we have some good old kalaloo. Yeah, you know, kalaloo and saltfish, that's a thing. So I got two tins of kalaloo. I also got 2 tins of corned beef. So this is not our original Jamaican brand corned beef, but I swear to you, it tastes the exact same. All right. Let's see. I got 2 tins of mackerel, and again, these ones are not our Jamaican branded mackerel in tomato sauce, but so this is actually in just water, I think. It didn't say. It doesn't say. Oh, ingredients: chub mackerel, water, and salt. So I guess it's in salt water for, you know, preservants. What's that word? Preserving, to preserve it. All right. Yeah, and I mean, once you spice it up and put your ketchup in it, it tastes delicious. So yeah, I got some more seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and some garlic powder. We go through garlic powder a whole lot, so I decided to just buy a big thing from her. Alright, next up is actually some cornmeal for cornmeal porridge and to make my delicious cornbread. Cornmeal. Okay. Oh, good things come in small packages, huh? And these are actually some Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid, no. Adam loves drink. I mean, I'm always in his ears about drinking water. He doesn't drink a lot of water, and I'm a little concerned about that. So we go through drinks, juices very fast in this house. So I decided to start investing in Kool-Aid, get a nice drink jug, mix it all up. It serves about 3 or 4 days. We have 2 of them, so I guess about 8 days, and we don't have to spend that much money on actual juice in the fridge. Right, so that's Kool-Aid. Next up, what's this? Oh, so this is actually a festival mix. Normally it comes in a package with, you know, labels and all of that, but she did tell me that she ran out of labels, so she will put it in a Ziploc bag. I said that's fine. And yeah, so festival mix. I can make festival from scratch, but I just find things very much easier if I just, you know, get a mix, just add water, fry it up, have something to eat right away, instead of me measure 1 cup of this, half tablespoon of, no, right? Especially on a Friday night when I'm trying to just relax. All right, so yeah, this is festival mix from her. No, my husband is going to love this one. It was a surprise. I didn't tell him that this one was on the grocery list because I know he likes them. So, and he's actually in the room while I'm recording this, so let's see how he reacts. So this one is actually some green plantain. So Adam loves green plantains, okay? He loves green plantains a lot. Fried, like double fried with salt. So I said, okay. When Latoya was in the supermarket, she texted me and she was like, girl, there are green plantains. Do you want? I'm like, well, I don't want because I'm more interested in ripe plantains, but I'm sure Adam will appreciate this. So why not? Give me some green plantains. So yeah, these are green plantains. I guess we have to fry them before they get ripe. Alright, and next we are at our second to last item. We have some salt fish. You know, the good old Akian saltfish, man. Yes, this is the saltfish. And of course, saltfish can be, for those who don't know, saltfish is very popular in Jamaica. As a matter of fact, it's a part of our national dish, ackee and saltfish, but it can be used in other dishes such as baked bean and saltfish, yeah, kalaloo and saltfish, yeah, cabbage and saltfish, yeah, what else? I'm not sure right now, but saltfish, voila. And the last thing that I have here is some all-purpose flour. Now Japan, as I said, of course they have flour, but I find that the texture is very thin. The texture is very thin and it doesn't knead as well. So when you knead it into a dumpling, it kind of floppy. You understand? We don't want floppy dumpling. So the good old all-purpose flour is what I now use. Thank God for Latoya. Alright, so yeah, I think we've covered everything in my box. So yeah, basically these are the things that I buy from her on a monthly basis. Snacks, cornflakes, you know, the mackerel, the corned beef, the ackee. She also sells ackee in a tin. We buy that from time to time. The kalaloo, flour. We also buy jasmine rice from her, but it's a big 20-pound bag, so we don't buy every month. We buy as needed. But yeah, jasmine rice is not in Japan, and Japanese rice, it stresses me out. I can't. But yeah, so these are the basic things that I buy. I mean, from month to month, things vary based on what we need in our house and so on. But at the end of the day, we still get our Jamaican, our taste of our, you know, birth home, and that makes us very, very happy. All right, so I guess that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell your mother, tell your father, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your friend them to come over to Natsnificent and join the party. Yes, just join the party. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.